not drunk yet, but I feel tipsy and I'm in that stage where I could do some stupid shit. And I'm going to be right back. What you're doing? Hello beautiful, welcome back. How are you? I hope you're doing well. As you can tell, I'm a little bit tipsy. I feel like I could take a nap right now, but I won't because I really want to dye my hair, and I'm really sleepy. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to dye my hair because 2 weeks ago or so I did that keratin treatment and that lightened my hair. My hair was black, so that lightened my hair and I really want to dye my hair black. I mean natural black, because I do like black hair, and also my hair extensions are black and now they don't match my hair color. So this is what I'm going to do in today's video, but with a twist. I'm tipsy. I just had lunch and I want to mention that what? I just had lunch and I had half a glass of wine. This is the glass. I still have a little bit left. I haven't had any alcohol in like 11 days because I do go to work, so I can't have any alcohol because I'm driving to go to work, you know. I have to anyway. So this happens to me all the time when I don't drink for a while and then I have a glass of wine and all of a sudden I'm drunk from one glass of wine. That's embarrassing. Anyway, I'm going to keep drinking. I don't want to get drunk, like drunk, because my body won't handle that. I'm 31 years old. I'm old, as I said. My body won't handle that. I will feel like crap when I will wake up. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I want to keep it on the tipsy level, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to pour a little more of wine, a little bit of wine, a little more of wine. Screw it, I don't even know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to pour myself a little bit more wine. As you can see, my eyes are closing because I'm feeling sleepy right now. Also, I got from the night shift, I got home at 6 a.m. Yeah, 6 a.m. I went to bed at 7 because, you know, I had to take a shower, wash my face, all that stuff. So from 7 to 12 I slept for about 5 hours. So yeah, I feel very rejuvenated right now, but I really want to dye my hair. Also, I have this app on my phone. It says that today is the day when I should dye my hair, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so the app I was talking about is called Deluxe Moon. Is this one right here? Okay, so you go here where you have these 2 little stars. You click that and it says haircut. Also, I want to cut my hair, but this app, it says today is not the day to cut my hair, so I'm not gonna do it today because I do really listen what this app says. It says coloring. Use of natural dyes contributes to career growth. You can bleach your hair, okay? Don't bleach. No, don't bleach. I don't know what natural dyes means. Probably made from plants or henna. I don't even know. But this is what I'm going to use today. This is a synthetic dye. I hope it still counts because this is what I'm going to use today. Also, I wanted to give myself a trim because my ends are so effing dead and they are haunting me. So it says haircut will inflict harm to the body and can cause unnecessary expenses in this day of the lunar calendar. So today is not the day to give myself a haircut. I'm going to wait till Sunday. So today is Friday, so I'm going to wait till Sunday because it says. So I'm going here. Today is Friday, okay, as you can see, April 24. So I'm going on Sunday because I already read whatever it says. And on Sunday it says haircut on this day will do so that you will become a little richer. So I guess I'm going to film a part of this video today of me dyeing my hair, and on Sunday I'm going to continue with the haircut. I really wanted to cut my hair first and then dye the hair, but since this app says that today is not the day to cut my hair, I'm not gonna do it, you know. Also on Sunday I can color my hair because it says coloring in bright colors will have a positive impact on business communication. Bleached on this day hair will look healthy and beautiful, and this is what I want, but I'm not gonna bleach my hair, I'm going to dye it darker. So as I said, also on Sunday sex is not recommended. Okay, it doesn't says that on Friday, which is today, but also I'm on my period, and that's another topic I wanted to touch in today's video, because in my country they say that if you are on your period, don't dye your hair because the dye won't stick to your hair. Like my gonna do some magic on my hair and the dye won't stick on it. So I guess we will test that today. This is my, a little bit TMI, I know, but this is my first day. Okay, so on my period, obviously. So I guess we're going to test that. How is that called? Myth? That's a myth. So I guess in today's video we're going to see if that's just a myth or is true or whatever. I don't believe in it. I don't think I dyed my hair before when I was on period, not just because of the myth, it's just because it didn't happen. Anyway, this is my hair color right now. It's very damaged at the ends. I need the trim so bad, but I'm going to wait until Sunday. So this is the hair color. It's like a brownish kind of color. As you can see, this is my natural color. My ends were black before, but that treatment lightened my hair so much, as you can see. I know the lighting is not the best here, but you can totally see a difference in between my roots and the ends. This is my natural color. I haven't dyed my hair in like 4 months now, and I don't know if you guys experience this, but my hair like expose. Is that a word? Also, I don't even know why I did my makeup today, because I'm going to apply Vaseline all over my face because I don't want to dye my skin. So that's that. Anyway, if you guys want to see how
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
I dye my hair being tipsy, not drunk yet, but I feel tipsy and I'm in that stage where I could do some stupid shit like dyeing my hair or cutting my hair. Anyway, yeah, just keep watching this video. Okay, I got my bottle of wine here. So if you guys live in Spain, this is the best wine ever. Trust me, it's from Ebates and is a semi-sweet, semi-dulce. The best. Trust me, you need to try it. So as you can see, I'm a white wine kind of girl. My glass is not fancy at all, but who cares? So I'm going to dye my hair here in my studio. And I really hope I don't get dye on my stuff, because I would die. I have my vanity here, I have my makeup, my lights. Also, I have wooden floors, and that's not smart, you know. But I do have my dye t-shirt, so you can see I used this before. Like, I use this shirt when I dye my hair. So this is what I'm going to use in today's video. This is the Loreal Casting Creme Gloss in the shade Negro Ebano, Preto Ebano. The number is 200. It smells like coconut. Not really, no, it doesn't smell like coconut. This is very beginner friendly. I really like the results. I really like how shiny my hair gets after using this. So The hair conditioner smells like coco loco. So we have the instructions, the developer, some gloves, some shitty gloves. Actually, I don't like those at all. We have the conditioner and the dye. And also this doesn't smell like, because it doesn't have ammonia, and it doesn't smell bad, you know. It smells very cute. You want to avoid those ammonia dyes. They are not good for your hair. Ammonia is not good for your hair. So I have my gloves here. Oh, I'm going to pour this tube into this. I'm going to shake it and I'm going to apply it on my hair. I was about to say on my face, but no, you don't want to do that. But first I'm going to apply some Vaseline on my forehead, my ears, on the back of my head, because I don't want to get dye on my skin, because this will stain your skin, okay? So you don't want to dye your skin. I think it will be super smart for me to bring a towel here. Alright, I have my towel here, and Lord have mercy. Okay, what I want to do, I want to listen some music, but I'm gonna get copyrighted, so. And I pray to the gods of makeup, the gods of hair dye. I won't dye my vanity because I will die. Wow. I'm going to shake it a little bit. Okay, and next I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to soak my face in Vaseline. This is chamomile Vaseline, which is better because it hydrates my skin at the same time. Okay, I'm going to wash my gloves and I'm going to be right back. What the fuck you doing? I don't know, I feel like I'm talking way too much, so I'm just going to do it now, okay? I'm going to have a sip of wine first. The best wine ever. It has to be cold though. Okay? So yeah, good luck. As I said, this doesn't smell bad. I have my towel in my lap, okay? So be careful because the dye will how's that called? The dye will stain. By the way, I always dyed my hair at home. I got my hair done 2 times, and the first time she missed a spot right here in the front, and it was a black dye. And how you missed that, I don't know. I still had to pay for that. And I had to retouch that when I got home. And second time, I don't know what happened, but I said, you know what, I'm not that stupid. I can do this by myself at home, you know. And look at me now. Alright, so I finished doing this at the sink. I got this all over me, as we can see. I still have a little bit left. Should I dye my eyebrows too? That's tempting. No, I'm not gonna dye them. Should I? No, don't do it. I look like a mess. Can you please not? Don't judge my face, okay? I feel like I did a pretty good job. I mean, it looks like it's even. I don't know, I'm going to show you the back. I hope I did good. I don't know. So yeah guys, I guess I will see you on Sunday when I will cut my hair because this app says so. And I don't know if I will be tipsy. Why not? It's fun. Anyway, see you on Sunday. Take care. Bye. By the way, I almost finished the bottle of wine. I think it was up here. Okay, bye.